All right, it's Thursday, January 18th, just following up on Coinbase. You can see here it's continuing a lot lower here. I bought some puts at this blue line. I scaled out once it kind of took out the lows of the day. And now as it came to the new weekly targets down here on this blue line, I even sold some more. So, even though this was kind of a longer term trade, I just have to take advantage of, I bought those 137 puts at 825. I scaled out at 1020, 2 points higher, and then I just scaled out some more at 1220. And we will see, let me see where it's at right now. Yeah, 1220 just scaled out. They're asking almost 13. So up 4 points on this. It's a pretty big gain, so you just want to take a bunch of that, and we will see what happens. Like I said, on the daily chart, we were anticipating that outside bar, once it came to the midway point of this bar, failed up here on the inside to the upside, came to the midpoint of that bar. We expected that to be taken out. Then the next target was down here. The weekly target, we hit that. And we're, going even below that at the moment. So the weekly chart is having its 2 down continuation. And once it kind of hit this target and didn't really want to bounce, that's why to me it showed we had potential to really start targeting some of these areas all the way down here, below 120, below 110, that whole, towards 110, that whole type of thing. So we will see, after that big downtrend that started, little pause, now we're continuing lower on the daily chart. It's an outside bar, took out the weekly lows, and we'll just kind of see how much lower, the stock wants to go at this point. Breaking below here, and I can see our next target's kind of down, like I said, below 120. So, good trade on buying Coinbase puts. There was big picture, context to do it. Ideally, you could have, bought it after the shooter bar, taking out some stops unaggressively. I bought it a couple of points later, but I kind of had a feeling this type of price action might unfold. So, good trade on Coinbase. We'll see now, for the rest of the position where price closes today, and if we get follow through into tomorrow and into next week to the downside. There's still a lot of pivot machine gun targets down here if it wants to stay really weak. So, we'll continue to watch Coinbase, but definitely moving a lot lower here today in line with the downtrend.